I think this occasion when we remember Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee for the great work that he has done not only for science but for the whole country, we also have to take a pledge to try and recreate the legacy of the great Sir C.V. Raman. I have been a part of the ideology that Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee represented since 1951. I joined this ideology in 1969. I had heard so much about Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee in the speeches of my great leaders for many decades. But I always feel privileged that when I became the Science and Technology Minister and also thereby the Vice President of the CSIR, for the first time I could really appreciate from very close quarters the immense contribution made by Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee for promoting science, for promoting science institutions, for promoting science research laboratories. And when I visited a large number of, in literally every laboratory in this country, I could see from my own eyes the contribution of Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee. He having laid the vision for a vibrant and scientific India, he having laid the foundation stone for many scientific institutions, whether it was in Calcutta or in Chennai or many other places. Today, when you are dedicating this particular day in 2020 to creation of a dedication of a book to the country about Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee's contribution to the development of Indian science, and I could see that this is a very rich book, and this book is going to be very, very useful, I am sure, for the scientific community. But I know, as a BJP supporter and a BJP worker for many, many decades, the BJP workers in India, they revere Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee for his great patriotism, for his great contribution for nation building, for his great value-oriented politics, and for his sacrifice for the cause of Jammu and Kashmir. They remember him for raising a voice against Article 370 and Article 35A. But not many BJP workers in the country, and including me, much before I became the Science and Technology Minister, I never knew the great contribution of the great academician Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee. It gives so many inspiring informations, and this book will give a lot of important knowledge to our young students, our young researchers, and even to the people working in public life in India, that even while you are a politician, even while you are a minister, how much immensely and how much dedicatedly and how much committedly you can contribute towards science also. And when I recall that There was a time when he was the Vice President of the CSIR as India's first industry minister. And today when I enjoy this privilege of being the Vice President of CSIR for last almost 6 years now, I find it a very, very privileged feeling. I find it as a very, very blessed feeling to be enjoying that position which was once enjoyed by the great Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee.